Hello everyone, welcome to another video of MathBird, and today we are doing something that we have never done before, and that is creating a website. Now this will be the first video of a series where at the end I hope you will be able to build your own website. This will be the very first one of the series, and we'll just learn how to create basic stuff. This will be clean HTML, and we will be using CSS in later videos, and we will not be using Bootstrap or JavaScript. Let's begin by learning how to use Visual Studio Code, the platform where we're programming at. You'll notice over here, I named the website index8.html, but you can name it whatever and however you want. And you'll notice this little X, and what this X means is that whenever you create a change to the website, the X will turn into a circle to notify that something has been changed. Like this, if I just type in something random, it turns into a circle. Now, be careful. Whenever you leave the computer or turn off Visual Studio Code or log out, make sure to always save, or else progress may be lost. Also, if you are seeing the website like on Chrome and you have not seen a difference in the website, that probably means you have not saved, so make sure to go back and save. And right now we are on the default, but if you want, you can customize it any way you like by hitting Control-K and Control-T. This will create a window where you can choose any themes. These are the dark themes and these are the light themes. Personally, my favorite is Monkai, so we will be using that from now on. But remember, you may change it to whatever you want. Now, let's get rid of this little white circle by clicking Control S. Control S, now your progress is saved. Make sure before all of this you put all of your work in a VS Code folder on your desktop or wherever you like to make sure all of your work is safe, and if you need to transport your work via a USB stick, you can always just simply move the folder. So, to begin, to create the first lines of Visual Studio Code, although you could write it manually, today for this example and for the rest of the series, we will be working on one website, and I will simply do this simple command to make it easier. So all you have to do is write down the exclamation point and then click Tab on your computer. This will create the very first lines of code for you to use. And these things are highlighted to make, if you don't want that, you just click off and it'll be back to normal. So let's learn the basics. Right now, the document type or doc type is HTML because we are using HTML. And the HTML language is English. This is the head tag. Everything has to go inside of the HTML tag here, and we applied the English setting on this tag, which means it'll apply to everything here, and the closing HTML tag. Remember, all closing tags in HTML have this little closing bracket right here. Can't really highlight it. It highlights the whole thing, but it's right here, this little bracket. All closing tags must have it. If there is no closing tag, then it will obviously not have one, like here. So this is the head tag. The head tag mainly focuses on stuff that you will see but not that much, like smaller details, like on the details on the tab of the page in the web browser, or the content information of the website, like the meta name, the contents of the website, and the character set, which we will be using UTF-8. The title is the actual title of the website. I will show you that later. And that's just about it in the head. We will be learning about other stuff that you put in the head, for example, classes, IDs, and CSS, but we are not going to be doing that right now. currently I don't know what to do with this website, and I want for y'all to decide. So if any people are actually watching this video, please let me know what you want the contents of this website to be about, if anyone's actually watching this at all. And this is the body tag. The actual main stuff of the body goes in here. Now, it's not formatted. To format it and to make it clean, I'll show you an example. For example, if everything is out of order, like the tags are in the wrong space, doesn't really look good, does it? So to fix that, we will click Alt-Shift-F. You have to do it in order. You can't click F-Shift-Alt. It has to be in that specific order. Alt-Shift-F. Hold it. Everything's clean. Everything is organized. Voila, it's nice. I'm going to get rid of the space because it has no purpose. So let's open up this website, and first let's save. Saved. And let's open up this website by clicking Alt-B, or if you don't have the opener on your CSS, or it simply isn't working, you can always click right here. It's not there. That's weird. But you should see something like the port or the go live feature right here. So if you do that, you'll click on it and you'll go to the actual tab and see it. You will still need to open up the tab, go live again, and save if you want to see the changes. So let's click Alt-B, and here is your website. It's very empty, as you can see. All we have over here is this default button and a document, because that's what we named it. It's the default name, document. That is it for today. This will be the end of the video. In the next video, we will be learning how to use the body tag and how to fill up the body. For now, we are left with an empty page that I still don't know what to do with. As I already said, if any of y'all are watching, please comment on what you want this to be. For now, this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye-bye.